Hey, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Have a good one.
All right, camera here, and I'm gonna show it to you. Today I received my SC571CC astrophotography camera from SVBONY about 15 minutes ago or so. This is the box here, and I'm gonna show it to you. Bill number papers. I forgot that it comes with an SB241 hub for free. I didn't pay for it. Nice box. Let's open first the hub, the SB241 hub. Nice. It has 4 DC 12 volt outputs. In the other side there's a Type-C, USB 3 and USB 2 ports. In the other side there's 2 more DC outputs and 2 5 volt outputs. And then in the other side is a PC and DC, the PC cable and the DC power. It feels very well made, and I didn't expect it has all those features there. At the bottom you can see these holes here to install them in the whatever frame you use, I guess. But here we go, SVBONY DC USB hub box, and I had it for free. Most likely I'm gonna use it too. In the bottom of the box there's a USB cable, there's a cigarette lighter power cable, and there's another cable here for power. That's the most likely I'm gonna probably be using, but I'm not sure yet. And of course there's a manual. The manual is in different languages, including English. Now I'm gonna open the camera box. I'm gonna put aside the hub. Open the camera now, the camera box. SC571CC. Comes with the manual, different languages of course, including English. The camera comes with some adapters. M42M, M42F 21mm. There's another adapter, the M42, M48, M42M to M48F 16.5mm. There's some type of tool there. I am not sure what it's for. I need to read the manual. There's some type of adapter ring. Cover. You can use it for the camera. Cover the camera sensor. USB adapter, power cable, USB-C to USB-B. And the main item, which is the camera. Camera feels sturdy or very well made. This is the back part of it. Power connector there. It has 2 lights, power and tech. Don't know what that means yet. And here where you connect the USB cable for the data transfer. This is the front of it. It's like a plastic cover or a rubber or something like that cover. Made by rubber. And that's the sensor right there. Nice. This is my first 16-bit astrophotography camera that I ever had. And I've been in this hobby for 5 years and about 6 months. 4 months. 5 years and 4 months in this hobby. I've been using cameras 10-bit, 12-bit, 14-bit, cooler cameras. And this is the first one, 16-bit. It's a big change for imaging progression. And there you have it, the camera, cables, adapters, tools, including a free hub. and I pay approximately $1,126. If I am not mistaken, you'll see the verified price underneath. And here you have it. I'm very excited. My name is Luis, and I will appreciate if you give me the thumbs up, subscribe, ask any questions, give me some comments there so we can learn from each other. Thank you for your time. Clear skies, my friends.